All right, guys, so I have another Tacoma upgrade. I think this one's kind of important. I mean, you know, I do a lot of dinky little things here and there, but this one is really going to just set it apart. So this is a part that goes here. So I don't have it installed yet. Let me give you a little shot of this. Let me put up our wiper blade there, get rid of this little leaf. All right, it's going to go right in there. There's so much glare, but you will see it's going to go right over here in just a second. I have to install it. That's it. That was a pretty quick install, although it's a little tight in that area, but can you guys see it? Right there, maybe? That's it. It is a little Sasquatch decal. I know it's kind of silly. I've made it a big deal, but I thought this is kind of the coolest thing ever. I'm a huge Bigfoot fan, and I know the window's still dirty. Got hit with some Windex and stuff, but it is just a little Easter egg. That's all. You know what I mean? Maybe you see it, maybe you don't, but I know it's there, and I think it's pretty darn cool. Love me some Sasquatch. Let's see if we can get that to focus. So he's on like a little mountain. You can get these on Etsy. It's like you get 2 of them for $2, I think. And I got the other one from my father, so he'll put it on his Tacoma. And that's it. We're both Bigfoot people, so I know some of you think that's stupid. Some of you think it's cool. Doesn't really matter. I think it's awesome, and that's why I got it. So there you go. Nice little touch. So we give you a different angle. So yeah, he'll always be down there chilling, just walking by. So that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.